Welcome to our Weigl control tutorial. My name is Daniel and I'm going to show you how to do step-by-step a firmware update for your ProCommander ES on a Windows computer. The latest firmware version of ProCommander ES can be found in the video description and on weigl.support. Connect your ProCommander ES to the computer according to the specifications of the wiring diagram by connecting your 24-volt power supply on the back of your ProCommander and also by wiring the link cable to the Ethernet port in front, which is directly connected with your computer. The default IP address of ProCommander is 10.0.0.1.0.1. When you power on your ProCommander, you can read the current IP address and firmware version directly on the ProCommander display. To get your network communication between your ProCommander and computer up and running, start your control panel, then click on Network and Sharing Center. There you go to your Ethernet connection, then you go into Properties, there you select Internet Protocol version 4, then once again on Properties. Make sure that the IP address and the first three sections are similar to your ProCommander. And the last section of the address must be different to all other devices in your network. Use also the standard of 3 times 255 and 0 in the end for your subnet mask. Confirm your selection with a click on OK and close all other windows. Prior performing the firmware update, make sure that there is no microSD card in the ProCommander. Now let's get started with the update. Open the Weigl Hardware Configurator Software. In the drop-down menu Network Adapters, select the IP address of your computer. Scan for your ProCommander by clicking the Scan Devices button. After the scan process, Configurator lists all connected ProCommander devices in your network. Select your device with a double click. Click on Info to receive the current configuration settings on your device. Click on Firmware Update. Select the ProCommander ES hex file from the unzipped firmware update folder. Click on Begin Update to start the update. While the update is running, please make sure the device stays connected. The letter P on the display of the ProCommander is an indicator for an ongoing update process. After you have confirmed the pop-up window, you can verify the updated firmware version under the section Software Versions by clicking on Info. Congratulations! You successfully updated the latest features on your ProCommander. If you want to get more tutorials like this, check out our Weigl Control channel, or if you have any further questions, please contact us on support@weiglcontrol.com. I'm looking forward to see you in the next Weigl Control tutorial.